Need to send money from your Ace Money account directly to a bank account? Transferring funds from your Ace Money balance to a bank is a common need. In this guide, I'll show you how to send money from Ace Money to a bank account. To send money, log into your Ace Money account online or via their app. Navigate to the Send Money, Transfers, or Withdraw section. You'll then choose Bank Account as your preferred delivery method. You'll need to provide the recipient's bank details, including their bank name, account number, and sometimes the SWIFT BIC code or routing number, depending on whether it's a domestic or international transfer. Enter the amount you wish to send. Finally, review all the transfer details carefully, especially the recipient's bank information and the amount. Confirm the transaction, and Ace Money will process the transfer to the designated bank account. The time it takes for funds to arrive can vary by bank and country. And there you have it. Sending money from Ace Money to a bank account is straightforward. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.